हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स read the question. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A. The electrolysis of aqueous NaCl produces hydrogen gas at the cathode and chlorine gas at the anode. Option B. The electrolysis of a dilute solution of sodium fluoride produces oxygen gas at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Option C. The electrolysis of concentrated sulfuric acid produces SO2 gas at the anode and oxygen gas at the cathode. And option D. After the electrolysis of aqueous sodium sulfate, the solution becomes acidic. So different compounds का electrolysis करवाने पर क्या क्या हो सकता है? What are the probabilities? On the basis of that, this question is. So for this question, the key concept will be electrolysis. Now solving each question option wise. Looking at option A, हमें किसका इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस करना है? एक्वस NaCl का इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस करना है. सो एक्वस NaCl मतलब हमारे पास NaCl है एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव एक्वस मीडियम मतलब वाटर भी है हमारे पास. So in electrolysis, we must remember that ions with higher potential will go to corresponding electrode and then discharge. So in case of aqueous NaCl electrolysis, the cathode reaction, cathode पे क्या होता है? Reduction. So at cathode reduction will takes place. The equation will be, reduction means gain of electron. So this will be the cathodic reduction, and at anode the reaction will be 2Cl minus getting converted to chlorine plus with the loss of electron. So at anode oxidation is taking place. So these are the anodic and cathodic reaction. So at cathode we are getting hydrogen gas and at anode we are getting chlorine gas. So option पे क्या लिखा है? Electrolysis of aqueous NaCl produces hydrogen gas at the cathode and chlorine gas at the anode. Yes, so option A is correct. Option A हमारा correct है. Now moving to option B, it is telling that the electrolysis of a dilute solution of sodium fluoride. आप सोडियम dilute solution of sodium fluoride का electrolysis करना है. Sodium fluoride Na plus F minus and dilute solution मतलब water है H plus OH minus. So at cathode the cation which is less electropositive will come and that cation will gain electron. हमारे पास यहाँ पर कैटायन कौन कौन है? सोडियम है और H plus है. इन दोनों में से H plus is less electropositive, so it will go to cathode and will accept electron or will undergo reduction. H plus cathode पे जाएगा, electron accept करेगा and will get converted to hydrogen. And at anode the anion which is less electronegative will go to anode and will lose electron. हमारे पास F minus है और OH minus है as anions, तो दोनों में से OH minus is less electronegative, so it will go to anode and will undergo oxidation or loss of electron. So this will be the anode reaction. So at cathode we are getting hydrogen and at anode we are getting oxygen. So option B is also correct. नाउ ऑप्शन सी में क्या बोल रहा है, इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस। गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, हमें कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस करना है। So if you do electrolysis of concentrated sulfuric acid, anodic reaction will be overall anodic reaction will be 2 water plus 2 SO4 2 minus, giving 4H plus oxygen plus H2O8 2 minus plus 6 electron. So this is the anodic reaction of electrolysis of concentrated H2SO4, and the cathodic reaction will be कैथोड में क्या होगा, रिडक्शन होगा. So 2H plus will accept electron to get converted into hydrogen. So these are the anodic and cathodic reaction. अब ऑप्शन में क्या लिखा है देखते हैं. The electrolysis of concentrated sulfuric acid produces SO2 gas at the anode and oxygen gas at the cathode. कैथोड पे ऑक्सीजन गैस हमें मिल ही नहीं रहा, कैथोड पे हमें हाइड्रोजन गैस मिल रहा है. So option C is incorrect. Now moving to option D. After the electrolysis of aqueous sodium sulfate, this solution becomes acidic. अब solution acidic होगा, basic होगा या neutral होगा वो देखते हैं. हमें सोडियम सल्फेट का इलेक्ट्रोलाइज करना है, aqueous sodium sulfate. So if you do electrolysis of sodium sulfate at cathode, we'll get so this is the cathodic reaction, and the anodic reaction will be so these are the anodic reaction and cathodic reaction. Now equalizing the number of electron, we'll get the overall cell reaction. So overall cell reaction will be six water getting converted to 2 hydrogen plus oxygen plus 4H plus 4OH minus. So 4H plus 4OH minus मतलब 4 water. So due to the hydrolysis of electrolysis of sodium sulfate, finally we are getting hydrogen plus oxygen plus water, and all of them are neutral. So overall the pH will be 7, or we can say the pH will be 7 matlab neutral. So we'll get a neutral solution after the electrolysis of sodium sulfate. And in the question it is written that after the electrolysis of aqueous sodium sulfate the solution becomes acidic. No, it's wrong, because the solution will become neutral. So for this question the correct answers will be option A and option B. Hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.